I will be showing you how to make a wig like a pro at home and how to turn it into a bob wig. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to start by putting my wig cap on my mannequin head, and guys, this is my hair with 2x6 closure and 3 bundles. So first, I'll draw a center line to mark the center of the cap, which is where the center of my closure will be, and then put my closure in place with some push pins. Next, I'll put my thread in a needle and start sewing. Using a curved needle is actually easier to work with, so if you can get it, use it.
One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
In order to avoid bumpy areas in the wig and to make the wig as flat as possible, don't give too much space in between each sewing, and it shouldn't be too small either.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. You're
going to keep sewing round until you get to the end of the lace.
Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken.
Go ahead and remove the pins and cut out the part of the cap that is under the closure to reveal the center part of the closure.
Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration.
I'm going to put the cap back on the mannequin head and then hold the closure in place using a hair clip or a band. Next, I'll use a measuring tape to map out my sewing lines, which is about 1 inch each. I'll then remove the tape and complete the lines in a curved shape.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
So I'm starting with the first bundle. I'll be using double wefts. You can equally use one if you choose. I'll make sure the wefts are not directly on top of each other to avoid having bumps. Rather, I'll place the second weft just below the first one and then sew.
Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
You can use the push pins to hold the hair to make it more easier for you.
I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. You always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they ride. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop.
Remember not to sew too distant or too close.
In my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause of sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration.
At the end of each line, instead of cutting off the hair, I just turned it over to continue sewing on the second line, and I'm careful not to make it bumpy.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, really gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a
So guys, I got tired of standing and decided to sit a bit.
good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a 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 good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit
So
to
this
do,
is
the
where the
aftermath
first
of
bundle
preparation.
ends. So to attach the second bundle, I'll first bring it very close to the first bundle and then sew it in before sewing them together.
I try to pick one thought, have some concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be.
I'm going to keep sewing till the end of the second bundle.
Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. You always gotta fight.
I will then go in with the last bundle and then keep sewing till I get to the closure.
Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes
I'll make sure to cover the lace at the edge of the closure with some hair, and guys, that's it for the wigging. I will then cut out the lace in a zigzag sweep to achieve a more natural look.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
To bob, I'll first cut the wig to be of almost equal length, although I'll allow the front to be a bit longer than the back. I'll cut and then use my stretcher to straighten the wig.
Get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Step 1, wake up.
But first, I'll section the hair part by part to stretch and also to be able to identify other areas that I need to cut.
Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season.
And this is what the stretching looks like. So I'll go ahead and cut out some hairs to achieve a more equal look.
Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time, it's how you.
After stretching, I'll go in with my hot comb to flatten and then go in with my wax stick.
Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, early, gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
I'll go ahead and adjust my wig for the final look.
Step 1, wake up, early, gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3,
And that's it, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you've not. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.
Today's gonna be